Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Spotify account on your mobile device. If you find you are no longer using Spotify, you can delete your account anytime you want. You can only delete your Spotify account on the Spotify website through an internet browser and not on the mobile app. But one thing you need to know is you can delete your Spotify account if you use the free version. If you have a premium subscription, you'll have to cancel it first and then you can delete your account. In order to do that, go to Spotify application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Then go to the settings gear on the top right corner and tap on it. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap onto the support option. From the pop-up, choose any browser, and then you'll be directed to the Spotify page on the web browser. On this page, you can go to account help and tap on it. In here, you'll be given various of options. Go and tap on account settings. So in order to close your account, you need to go and tap on closing your account option. Before closing your account, now make sure you are aware of the repercussions. Now you can also cancel your subscription without deleting your account altogether and only use the free version of Spotify. And if you are just using the free version of Spotify, then you can just go to close your account and tap on it in order to proceed. Now go to close account and tap on it in order to confirm. Then you'll land onto the interface like this. Then once check and make sure that your account information is all correct, then go and tap and continue. As you land onto another page, it informs you that closing your account, you will lose your music, podcast and playlist, your followers, also your username, and it can't be used again with Spotify. So in order to agree to the terms, go and tap on I understand, then tap and continue. Once you tap on it, Spotify sends an email to your email address. Now go to your email address, tap on the link, and to confirm that you still want to close your account, go and tap on close my account. And then you'll be directed to paste something like this. And then you'll have successfully closed your account on Spotify. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.